Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I had the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames per second. How does everything look? How do I sound? I've been having this phone for almost a month now, and I'm really enjoying it. But I think OnePlus has made some mistakes, because this phone has been the talk of the town. If you go on Twitter, it's all over the place. In our Telegram groups, everywhere they are talking about the OnePlus 7 Pro. This video may actually trigger some of the OnePlus 7 Pro fans. I know it might. I understand it. Let's just have a civil conversation in the comments below if you agree or disagree with me. But I think there's about 5 different things that OnePlus messed up on this phone. And yes, I think they totally messed up. I think that's why it's getting a lot of heat. And these are my reasons. If you agree or disagree, let me know in the comments too. I don't know why we had traffic. Maybe the red light is broken or something. But let's go ahead and get this video started. The number one reason I think they messed up is that they put a 4,000 milliamp hour battery and Warp Charge 30 on here. Why not give me a smaller battery? I don't need 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Give me a 3,300 milliamp hour battery. And why do I need such a quick charge? Who asked for that? Be like Apple and don't even put a charger in the box. Just do standard charging. I mean, it's 2019. What can we expect for OnePlus? A bigger battery and a faster charger? I mean, what is wrong with them? So that's the number one reason why they messed up. I just think they could have stuck with a smaller battery, and they don't have to do supercharging. Nobody asked for warp charging. Did y'all ask for warp charging? I didn't ask for it. But y'all let me know in the comments exactly what y'all feel about the bigger battery in here and also the quicker charge. I mean, this thing charges so fast that is ridiculous. I don't ask for that. I don't ask for quick charging. So that's the number one reason. The second reason I think they messed up on this phone is they actually went ahead and put a Snapdragon 855 processor in here. Who needs that? I mean, I don't need an 855 processor in here. Give me like the Google Pixel 3a XL. Everybody's saying the Snapdragon 670 is a beast, and that's the greatest phone ever, especially for the price. So give me that Snapdragon 670 processor, and I will be fine with it. Second reason, yes, it's the 855 processor. I think they could have went with a smaller processor, maybe even save some money on that too, and just give me that Snapdragon 670 or the 660, something smaller. Don't need all that power, the 855 processor in there. Man, it just rained out here in Texas, and it rained like cats and dogs. I don't know whoever came up with that statement, but it is what it is. The third reason why I think OnePlus messed up this year, and I know what you're going to say, it's just the build quality of the phone. They could have went back with metal back and the front being glass. Definitely didn't need the curved display either on there, and just give me a metal back and I will be happy, because glass on glass is so 2018. And the build in this blue color too, how it just shimmers in the light. I don't need all that fancy stuff. Just give me a matte black metal back phone, and I think OnePlus would have a winner there. I don't think people would actually complain about it like they have been, and I think everything would be fine. How is the OnePlus handling the windshield wipers, by the way? Y'all let me know. Alright, so that was the third reason why I think OnePlus messed up. It's just the build quality is it's just good. It's standard 2019. I just need a metal back phone or even plastic phone. I mean, a phone came out this year with plastic, and supposedly it's supposed to be a great build quality phone. So give me plastic or metal and I will be happy, OnePlus. Don't have to follow everybody with the glass back and the glass fronts, especially with the curved screen too. Man, OnePlus just messed up the OnePlus 7 Pro. They could have went many different ways. The fourth reason why I think they messed up, they did not have to go with 12 gigs of RAM or even 8 gigs of RAM or even 6 gigs of RAM. They could have went with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, and everybody would have been happy. Not everybody needs 128 gigs or 256 gigs of storage at all. I think they're overkilling it. A lot of complaints online have been like, why do you need 8 gigs of RAM on the phone? I don't know why you need it, but I think OnePlus could have just went back to like 2017 and gave me 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, and been happy. I think OnePlus is trying to go overboard, trying to get into that flagship status, but they're missing their crowd. They are missing their point of making a great phone. Now, number 5, the best reason why OnePlus messed up is they went with a 2K AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Yes, I'm being silent on purpose. Why, OnePlus? You was known for the 1080p screen. Why go to 2K? Everybody loved the 1080p. Okay, everybody was asking for the 2K display too, but who cares what they asked for? You should have stuck with the 1080p screen. And who needs 90 Hz refresh rate on an AMOLED display? You could have easily went 1080p LCD and got 120 Hz refresh rate on the screen and been like the Razr 2 phone. So OnePlus really messed up on this phone in many different ways, but I think the display is the major reason why OnePlus messed up. My 2K AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate, overkill. They could have actually saved me some money. And I'm going to throw a little extra in there too. Another reason why they messed up, they charged $669, the base price. I paid $699. They should have charged me $1,000 and I would have been happy. People seem to pay $1,000 and be happy with the phone. So OnePlus definitely messed up. Man, I don't know why OnePlus did all these changes. It really pisses me off. I want the OnePlus 5T or something back, not this OnePlus 7 Pro that has been a beast to me. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments below. But I think this OnePlus has messed up those 5 different ways. Okay, I'm kidding, y'all. The OnePlus 7 Pro has been great. If you think the OnePlus 7 Pro is not up there with these other flagships, then, hey, that's your opinion. Go get your head examined, because the OnePlus 7 Pro battery life has been really good. The cameras are hit and miss, but they can be fixed with updates. No phone comes out perfect in the camera department, maybe except for Google, but they had the software down. The display on here has been really great. I don't care what people say that display is not great.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Crestway Road.
I don't understand what is wrong with these people, but the OnePlus 7 Pro has been a beast to me. I'm enjoying it. So hopefully y'all like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 7 Pro and the LG G8 ThinQ. Like I said, keep it friendly in the comments. I like having discussions normally with my subscribers. But again, follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.